Try and get out with sandals on now.
But you're so old.
Oh, man, river.
No classy way to get out. Back out at the bowl, Swarner. Here to test some 3D printed parts. The Grandmaster Puba 3D printed these for me. And, nylon carbon fiber filament. So I'm out here to test it at Swarner because I feel like it'll be a good test landing on that concrete. See how those links do. It'd really be good if I had these, but I couldn't find the file for these longer ones. But those are the ones I'll have to take this file and manually lengthen it. But of course, right when I got here, like freaking 5 people showed up, so good times. There it is. Son of a
Hamburger.
That's what I did not want to do. Shock. Oh, it did break that piece. Yep. That's the new piece right there. Broke the body, damn. Guessing I broke that. Oh, it's still on. It's just
Earmuffs.
Well, short day. I have to watch the video to see how that even happened because it landed on the top, obviously shattered the body. But broke this shock, and there's one of the 3D printed pieces didn't make it. It really surprises me because, man, those are tough. But that was a real bad hit, so I'm not really convinced that another one wouldn't have broke there anyways, because I'm gonna have to watch and see where it hit. I thought it landed just on the top, but we'll see.